In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Revolut Premium plan. If you've been thinking about downgrading to the standard plan, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step to make sure it's as easy and straightforward as possible. First things first, you're going to need to access the Revolut app on your device. So go ahead and open up the app. Once you're in, look at the top left or right corner of your screen, depending on your app version. For your profile icon, this is usually your picture or a silhouette symbol. Tap on that icon and you'll be guided into your account overview. Next, within your profile settings, you'll see various options tailored to your account management. Here, you want to find the section labeled Plan. Tap on Plan and you'll be introduced to the details of your current subscription, in this case, your premium plan. Once you're on the plan page, look for See Plans. Clicking this will reveal a list of available plans, including the standard plan you wish to switch to. Simply select the standard plan. After choosing the standard plan, you'll be prompted with the option to downgrade to standard. This is your next click. This action is essentially notifying Revolut that you intend to leave your premium plan for the more basic standard one. Now, you may encounter a screen asking to proceed with the downgrade. It's Revolut's way of confirming your request. Here, you should select Proceed Downgrade. It's perfectly normal for companies to have these checks in place to prevent accidental changes. When prompted, go ahead and select No Thanks when offered to retain your existing plan or receive a new deal. This step simply solidifies your decision to proceed with the downgrade. Once more, click Proceed with Downgrade. This will bring you a step closer to completing your request. Next up, Revolut might provide you an option to explore their features one last time. If you're sure about your choice, click Skip. Finally, you'll see a notification or a button that prompts you to downgrade. Selecting Downgrade confirms your plan change, ending the premium subscription and shifting you to the standard plan. And that's all there is to it. Remember, downgrading takes effect after the end of your current billing cycle, so you'll continue to enjoy premium features until then. If you ever need to upgrade again, you know the process is just as simple. I hope this guide has been helpful and saves you time and effort navigating your Revolut app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow guides.